Build-A-Boat players need to be stopped. They will build anything but a boat like we actually...
Maturity test. Pag tumawa ka, talo ka. Level 1.
Nandito na naman kami.
Level 2. Kung natalo ka na, ilike ang video para sa extra life. Level 3. Level 4. Kung nandito ka pa, mag-follow para sa iba pang challenges. Level 5.
So you can keep me.
Level 6.
Wow! Oy, 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 oy!